Paul's Photo, the lab at Paul's Photo and the Creative Photo Academy. Here at the LAZoo today, and I have the Nikon Z9 with the brand new 400mm 2.8 TC lens. Awesome lens I'm getting to borrow from one of our customers, the lucky person who got the first one we received. But this is an amazing lens. So I spent the morning here at the LAZoo, one of my favorite places to photograph, the home of the LAZoo Photo Day, which Paul's Photo's done for 33 years. Hopefully we'll be back after the pandemic. But here I am with the flamingos on my way out. I want to talk to you a little bit about using the 400-2.8 today. It was awesome. The Z9 focused, the eye tracking, animal eye tracking focused on all the animals as I went, even the gorillas in the shade, the eye tracking locked on, the chimps, the tiger, all the animals I found with the flamingos here. It was awesome. So I shot the 400-2.8. I'm here on my monopod, so I can go portrait and landscape. I used it in portrait and landscape mode. I used it at 400. I used it with the 1.4 converter built in, and I used it with the 1.4 converter in the lens, and added my Nikon Z 1.4 converter to it. Didn't see a loss in focus, didn't see a loss in performance as I was shooting. I haven't looked at the results yet. I'll post the results online tonight. But this lens is amazing. You know, I wouldn't expect any less from Nikon and the Nikon Z. You know, the Z9 focus was amazing. I just love it, and I can't wait to get out and shoot more. I've got a trip to Africa in July. Hopefully my lens will come by then, and I'll have it to take to Africa with me to shoot the gorillas, the chimpanzees, the lions, the elephants, everything we do in Africa. I can't recommend this enough. I can't wait to see the pictures, but the performance was awesome. And you know what? These flamingos are starting to pose, so I'm going to shoot. Well, you guys have fun. Have a great day, and we'll see you real soon. Get out and take a picture and have some fun. And don't forget to share it. We'd love to see it. Mark Coleman from Paul's Photo. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.